Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr.Kay English Channel, where you learn English through simple, real conversations. I'm Kay, and I'm here with my co-host.
Hi friends, I'm Bunie. I'm really happy you're here today.
Quick note for new viewers. Kay is the guy, Bunie is the girl, and we're both Americans, so you'll hear natural, everyday English, slow, clear, and beginner-friendly.
Today's topic is easy English speaking practice for beginners.
And let me ask you something. Do you understand English, but when you try to speak, your mind goes blank?
You want to speak, but you feel shy. You worry about mistakes. You freeze.
If that's you, don't leave. Today, we fix it with a simple routine. If you want daily speaking practice, hit subscribe. We post beginner-friendly lessons that help you speak with confidence.
And comment one word right now, ready, if you're practicing with us today.
Also comment, where are you watching from, your country or city?
Okay, let's start.
Here's the challenge. Stay with us for the next 3 minutes and you'll learn one speaking pattern that helps you say 10 sentences without thinking.
And at the end, we'll do a 60-second speaking challenge. You will speak smoothly, even if you're a total beginner.
Plus, the last step is a 5-minute daily routine you can use every day. That routine is the real secret.
Don't just watch. Repeat out loud with us. Quiet is okay.
Let's go! Bunie, quick warm-up. How are you today?
I'm good, maybe a little tired. How about you?
I'm good too. I feel awake because I had coffee.
Nice. I like coffee too. It's my favorite.
Perfect! You just used a natural sentence. That's what we're doing today. Simple English that works. Step 1. The magic starters. Speak immediately. Step 1. You need a simple start. Repeat after me. I'm.
I'm.
I like.
I like. Now repeat these 3 sentences. I work.
I work.
I'm busy.
I'm busy.
I like coffee.
I like coffee. Stop. Quick check. Can you say it one more time?
Say it again, but a little faster.
I work. I'm busy. I like coffee.
I work. I'm busy. I like coffee.
Great. You are speaking already. That's a win. Step 2. Add time words. Sound natural fast. Step 2 will make your English sound more natural. Use these 3 time words. Today.
Today.
Usually.
Usually.
Right now.
Right now.
Repeat this pattern. Today, I'm blank.
Usually, I blank.
Right now, I'm blank.
Let's do an example together. Today, I'm tired. Usually, I work. Right now, I'm learning.
My example. Today, I'm happy. Usually, I drink coffee. Right now, I'm peaching.
Your turn. Say 3 lines.
If you don't know the words, copy ours. Copying is training. Step 3. Add because. Sound confident. Step 3 is the power word because. Repeat. I'm tired because I slept late.
I'm tired because I slept late.
I'm happy because it's the weekend.
I'm happy because it's the weekend.
I like coffee because it helps me.
I like coffee because it helps me. Now we do a quick change one word game. Repeat. I'm tired because I slept late. Now change one word. I'm tired because I worked late.
Nice. Change one more word. I'm happy because it's Friday.
I'm happy because it's Friday.
Now you change it. I'm happy because it's my day off.
That's real speaking. Small changes.
Quick comment check. Write one sentence now. Today, I'm blank because blank.
We'll read your comments and we may reply with a corrected version you can copy.
Okay, back to practice. Step 4. Ask easy questions. Start real conversations. Step 4. Questions. Repeat these 5 questions. What do you do?
What do you do?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
How's your day?
How's your day?
What do you like?
What do you like?
Why are you learning English?
Why are you learning English? Now, fast answers. I work. I study.
I'm from.
It's good. It's okay.
I like.
Because I need it. Because I want to travel.
Let's role play quickly. Repeat after us. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam. How about you?
I'm from the US. What do you do?
I work. How's your day?
It's good. What do you like?
I like coffee and music. Why are you learning English?
Because I want to speak with confidence.
Perfect. That's a real conversation.
Step 5. Follow-ups. Don't stop after one sentence. Step 5 is a secret for fluency. Add one more sentence.
2 short sentences are better than 1 long sentence.
Repeat these follow-ups. It's important.
It's important.
It's simple.
It's simple.
It's my favorite.
It's my favorite. Now repeat these emotional follow-ups. I'm nervous, but it's okay.
I'm nervous, but it's okay.
I'm tired, but it's fine.
I'm tired, but it's fine. Let's build. I like coffee. It's my favorite.
I like music. It's relaxing.
Now your turn. Make 2 sentences. I'm blank, but it's okay. Or, I like blank. It's blank. Great. You're learning how to keep the conversation alive.
Step 6. The 60-second challenge. No stopping.
Step 6 is the key step. This is where you speak without stopping.
Choose one topic. My day. My job/school. My favorite food. Why I learn English.
I'll do a model first. Topic: my day. Today I'm busy because I have work. Usually I wake up early and drink coffee. Right now I'm teaching this lesson. I feel a little tired, but it's okay. I like helping students because it makes me happy. After this, I will eat lunch and answer messages. Tonight, I will relax.
My model. Topic: Why I learn English. Today, I'm practicing English because I want to speak better. Usually, I study in the evening. Right now, I'm listening and repeating. I feel nervous sometimes, but it's okay. I like English because it helps me connect with people. I want to travel and make friends.
Now it's your turn. Speak for 60 seconds.
If you stop, don't panic. Just continue.
Ready? Go.
Step 7. Mini role plays. Real-life practice.
Step 7. Real-life role plays. We'll do 3 quick ones.
First, coffee shop.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a coffee, please?
Hot or iced?
Iced, please.
Small or large?
Small, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too.
Second, meeting someone new.
Hi, I'm Bunie.
Hi, Bunie. I'm Kay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from the US. What about you?
I'm from Vietnam.
What do you do?
I work. How's your day?
It's good. What do you like?
I like music and coffee.
Third, asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What's wrong?
I'm lost. Where's the bus stop?
It's over there, near the store.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Now do this. Pick one role play and repeat it 2 times.
First time, copy exactly. Second time, change one word.
Example: bus stop becomes train station.
Step 8. The daily 5-minute routine. Your real plan. Step 8 is the secret. This is how you improve fast without stress.
5 minutes a day. That's it.
Minute 1, 3 starters. I'm, I like.
Minute 2, 3-time sentences. Today, usually, right now.
Minute 3, 2 because sentences. I'm because. I like because.
Minute 4, ask 2 questions. Where are you from? What do you do?
Minute 5, 1 mini role play, 30 to 60 seconds.
If you do this daily for 30 days, you will feel the difference.
Your mouth will feel more comfortable.
And your fear will get smaller.
Let's recap our 8 steps. I'm, I like. Today, usually, right now. Because, 5 questions, follow-up sentences, 60-second challenge, role plays, daily 5-minute routine.
Repeat this lesson and you will improve.
Simple English every day. Now comment these 2 sentences. Today, I'm because. Right now, I'm.
Example. Today, I'm busy because I have work. Right now, I'm practicing English.
If you comment, we may reply with a corrected version you can copy.
Thank you for learning with us today.
If you want more beginner speaking practice, hit like and subscribe.
Next lesson is English for daily conversations in public places, so you can speak outside with confidence.
See you in the next video on Mr. Kay English Channel.
Bye.
Bye-bye.